The plot of the story is, okay, so the first part is the main problem, and the main problem is that the birch tree is crying, and the conflict is that he was scared that he was gonna just die because he's seen other birch trees just get knocked out for firewood and stuff like that. And then the resolution is when the old man took the girl's hair, and then he made a heart for the birch tree, so it's something instead of nothing. And then the theme is love yourself, because the birch tree wasn't self-confident, and that's what I think the theme is. Alright, thanks.